Hi Chan, it's amazing that you're in the kitchen today with me.
I'm truly nervous. I'm with a food guru.
We're just going to cook. You're passionate about food. I mean, that is what your job is all about at Woolworths.
Sure.
Sourcing beautiful quality ingredients.
But it's actually about our customers and about people out there that really love food.
And chefs too.
100%.
I mean, such a beautiful collaboration with chefs, like setting the trend, setting the benchmark of good food.
No, spot on. But we're here to cook, so let's get going.
Yeah, what are we going to cook? Okay, I'm telling you what we're going to cook. Let's start with the roasted kind of cauliflower steaks. And then it's going to be smothered in one of your beautiful products, apricot harissa. Just need some good olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, of course. And then I've got some dried oregano here as well. And I think we're going to pop that in the oven. Now we're going to make the lasagna. 100%
imported
Durham wheat.
Durham wheat from Italy.
We've just cooked them and laid them with olive oil. Are you ready for some wine yet?
Sounds delicious. Let's enjoy a glass.
Yeah, cheers, cheers. Oh. So this year, when I'm judging, I'm really looking for simpler, delicious food, where the food is the hero. I'm going to do this. This is my favorite part. Is the mozzarella, beautiful burrata. I mean, look at that. How stunning is that? Let's have a look at our collie.
Golden brown.
Yeah, I take lots of inspiration from chefs. I really do. Toasted hazelnuts.
Let's pop that in here.
Cool. One of my favorite ingredients, lemons. Lemon gold.
Lemon gold, the one we've just come back into season now.
I know, they're so juicy, thin-skinned.
Yeah, and the new ones are seedless. They're exclusive to Woolies. That looks delicious.
That's going to get 4 cheese sauce, yumminess.
As I look at this produce, it makes me think about our farming for the future and the way the teams have gone about really working with our farmers around the quality of soil, nutrients, just the retainment of them and how you kind of rotate the crops, because what you want to be doing over time is using less and less fertilizer and doing it in a more natural state.
You can see you can't wait to dig in.
Simple and delicious.
Would you make it?
Absolutely.
Great. So, as they say, keep the best for last. What I love about all Woolworths ice cream is that there's just that beautiful smoothness.
It's this constant awareness by everyone in our chain around temperature. Because at the end of the day, that's the secret, is maintaining cold chain.
Yeah.
And the only way you do it is through a cultural understanding across your organization of what the importance of managing temperature and cold chain is.
Well, there we go. Oh la la, look how nice that is. That looks so lovely.
Oh, that's special.
That's good.
Cheers.